have some more incoming pocket letters to share, so let's get right to it. This one is wrapped with a gorgeous little doily and some cute white and yellow twine. So sweet. And then check this out. It's done in pastels, soft colors, and it is gorgeous. Okay, so hello with the key. Such a clever way to do it. And some bling. Lots of layers and an arrow and a butterfly. And this pocket, we have tea. Oh my heck, you know what? It actually even says tea on the back side. Let's, oh my goodness, yeah. So it says tea. Gorgeous. Lovely little layered card with a yellow tag. That's all right. Let the fun begin. Super sweet little embellishments and a key. Oh, keep it simple. On a little clipboard. It's got some dimension to it. And then some paper flowers. I don't know where she got all this stuff, but it is adorable. So in this pocket holds the letter. And there's also a, look at that, a little butterfly. Oh, the mason jar with the little butterfly with the bling trail. So cute. And then look at this little glassine bag full of buttons, and then it's stapled shut. Oh, these kinds of details are just the sweetest. This comes to me from a friend in Pennsylvania. This is the first one I've received from Pennsylvania, so that's fun. So look here, we got tags tucked in. It's like a little little pocket. And then the back side has some of these wooden embellishments. So that is super sweet. Oh, I have a little baby who just woke up from her nap. And some cute little felt birdies. All right, and then this last pocket says me. Super cute doily. And then it has a little letter from her. Oh, adorable, adorable pocket letter. All right, so this other one that I got comes from Georgia. It's a really cute little, looks like a little mixed media art girl. I think she was probably stamped and colored. And a little button that says enjoy. Some bling. So washi tape and twine. I dream for a living. Cute. I can't even remember, with a cute little bow. It says shine, and some cute little pretty business going on there. And there's a letter in the back of this pocket here. And then it says treats. All kinds of little goodies in there. It's fun. Some cute little clothespin clips, little mini ones. Go into the world and do good. And then here, these are really adorable little, I don't know, they're stickers or what. And then a mail tag. So that is it for this time around. Thank you so much for joining me. Please be sure to rate and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.